Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting essentials so design decisions are fast. Upload your brand fonts, HEX color codes, and any icon SVGs into Canva. This ensures consistency. Once done, create a new logo project at a square size. 500 times 500 px works well, or pick a logo template to speed things up. Make sure your brand kit is set so every element snaps to the right color and typography. This reduces rework later and keeps shapes, spacing, and line weights predictable as you build. Now you design the composition. Drag your primary icon onto the canvas and enable the grid or rulers to anchor it. Once placed, add your brand name with a display font and a simple sans for a short tagline. This improves readability. Adjust letter spacing and line height, then set the icon to text gap so the mark reads at small sizes. Test at 64 px. Make sure contrast is sufficient against both light and dark backgrounds. This prevents legibility failures across platforms. Finish by exporting multiple file types and variants so your logo works everywhere. Save an SVG for scalability, a transparent PNG for web, and a 300 dpi PNG for print. Also create color, monochrome, and icon-only versions. This gives you flexible options for social, ads, and favicons. Once exported, test each at small sizes, 16 px, 64 px, and on light and dark backgrounds to confirm legibility. If things look off,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.